Hello everybody, it's Lars from Eastbound Cadillac, and this morning I am going to polish this car. Just wanted to show you the hood. You can see it's still very dull and chalky looking, and really no gloss to it at all. It's okay. Side of the car is not bad, but the hood and the trunk needs work, so that's what I'm going to do. And I got my old school Makita orbital polisher. I think I bought that around 1988, so it's old. I guess 34 years old or 30 plus years old. Picked up some Meguiars polish. This is number 2, Meguiars number 2, and then I'll go over with Meguiars number 3 later, and let's see how it looks. Well, it's about half an hour or an hour later. I've done the one side of the car, and this is only the first step. I'll go over it with a finer polish, and then I'll do a polish and sealant on top of it. So I don't know if I'll get it all done today, probably not. I'll flip the car around, do the other side, and I think that will be it. That'll be enough for today. I'm not as young as I used to be, and 30 years ago I could have done the whole car, everything all at once, but yeah, when you're in your mid-50s, you just got to break it down. So I'll flip the car around, do the other side, and come back again tomorrow and do the next stage. But yeah, there you go. You can see the before and after, or that's the original when I got it. This is now after the first stage of the Meguiars, Meguiars number 2, done by the polisher. There you go. More coming later. Hey everybody, it's the next day, and just went over the car with the Meguiars number 3. That's the second step, and I have to say, damn, that looks fine. But look at that, it's just amazing. Original paint, original lacquer paint, not base coat, clear coat, not enamel. It's the original lacquer paint, and look at that shine. Yeah, there's some defects in the paint, you know, you could see a little bit of dust here and there, you know, that's from the factory, but damn, does it ever look good. I'm impressed. You know, I got a chip over here. Oh, try to touch that up a bit better. But man, does that ever look good. Look at that shine. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Still going to put a third and fourth coating on here. The third I'll do by hand, and then the fourth and final will be some wax, carnauba wax. I'll put on top. That will be the final topping. But I just wanted to give you guys an update, and this is stage 2 of the polishing using my old school high-speed Makita polisher, and that's it. More later.